Hey everyone, welcome back to another business analysis video. In today's video, we'll be exploring what are the 4 P's of business analysis. So when I talk about the 4 P's, what exactly am I referring, right? The 4 P's refers to a framework used to evaluate an organization's performance as well as identify areas for improvement. And these areas focus on the people, the process, the performance, and the product of the organization. So by following this framework, the business analyst can gain an understanding of the organization's people, processes, performance, and product, as well as design solutions that will improve the overall performance of the organization. So let's explore each of these P's in detail. Number 1, process. The first P, process. As a business analyst, you must understand the processes, right? The processes carried out by functions, by individual, by stakeholders within the organization. These are the processes that the organization uses to reach its goals, right? If there are no processes, there are no goals. How are you going to reach your goals without having processes, right? So as business analysts, you need to understand what processes are in place within the organization. And this includes understanding how the organization's business processes, how are they currently working, right? This includes how they're currently working, as well as identifying areas for improvement and designing new processes, right, to achieve better results. So as business analysts, when you're working on a project, you need to understand what are the current processes, right? But why do you need to understand what the current processes are? You need to understand this so that you can uncover issues within the current processes, uncover pain points, uncover just bottlenecks, problems. What problems are we experiencing now, right? Once you uncover that, you can then start to make suggestions for improvement and work towards creating better processes. The second P is the people. As business analysts, we need to understand all the people that are involved within the organization's processes, the people that are carrying out the processes, the people that the processes will impact, right? So this includes understanding all the roles and the responsibilities of the different stakeholders, as well as the needs and the motivations. So in order for you to understand the process, improve the process, identify issues, you need people, right? So as business analysts, in order for you to understand the process, uncover the issues, and start to look at solutions for improvement, you need to understand who the people are involved within these processes. Third P is products. Business analysts must understand the products and services that the organization offers. What are we selling? Right? This includes understanding the features and the capabilities of the product, as well as the target market. Who are we selling it to? And competitive landscape. Who are our competitors? How can we improve our products so that our competitors don't come in and take our customers, right? But anyway, as business analysts, we need to really understand what products the organization is selling or delivering to its clients or its customers, right? This will in effect impact the goals, the mission, and the vision of the organization. Strategic analysis in business analysis. I think we covered that in one of my old YouTube videos. The final P is performance. Number 4, business analysts must understand the performance of the organization. This includes understanding, again, how the organization is currently performing, identifying areas for improvement, and designing solutions to achieve better results. So in order for you to understand the performance, you need to understand the processes. Then you can then start to see how are we performing as a whole, right? How is the organization performing as a whole? What areas can we identify that needs more work? What areas can we identify that will raise projects for us to work on so that we can improve that area? So in summary, the 4 P's are a framework that we need as business analysts so that we can evaluate the performance, the people, the processes, and the products of the organization. And in effect, knowing these 4 P's will help us to gain a comprehensive understanding of the organization as a whole. So I hope you now have clarity of the 4 P's framework for business analysts, and I hope that you can apply it in your role as a business analyst. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.